So here we have flat 1 at Beehive House in Hednesford. So it has a large living area. The flat is located on the ground floor at the front of the property. All painted white for that fresh look. It also comes with a large kitchen area. Nice modern white kitchen. Plenty of storage space here. Now, after the kitchen diner, you have this small walk-through to the walk-in shower room. So it comes with toilet, sink, mirror, electric shower and heated towel rail. Quite a large bathroom here. All nice and fresh and light. And then across from the bathroom we come to the main bedroom. This flat has 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's a large double room. Again at the front of the property, all decorated in white with a green carpet. Lovely and light in here during the day. Gets plenty of light. So this is flat 1 at Beehive House. If you need any more information, please contact us on the website or call us on the phone number.